This adapter from Lectron allows non-Tesla or J1772 compatible electric vehicles to use Tesla charging stations. It's small and easy to store in the trunk. Simply connect our adapter with the Tesla charging cable and plug it into your car's J1772 port. It's that simple. Our adapter allows you to charge your car at a power rating of up to 9.6 kilowatts, allowing for overnight charging, and is compatible with the Tesla Destination Charger, Tesla Mobile Connector, and Tesla High-Powered Connector. But it should not be used with the Tesla Superchargers. So now your second EV no longer needs to be a Tesla. Never get caught out again with the Lectron Tesla to J1772 adapter for other brand EVs.
Our new Tesla to J1772 adapter makes it easy to charge any electric vehicle from a Tesla charger. It is very compact and ergonomic and has a built-in latching mechanism. First, connect your Tesla charger cord to the adapter and then slide the latch to its locked position. Then plug it in to your car's charge port. Charging should begin automatically. When you're finished charging, press the lever on top and pull it out. Then unlock and remove the Tesla charger plug. Happy charging and safe travels.